Reddit is one of the most powerful places on internet that determines the buying decision. There are lots of people coming asking for what products to buy, if that product worked pretty good, reviews on the products. And most businesses are almost invisible on Reddit, not because they don't have a good product, but because they are not into conversation. So in order to fill that gap, build an audience, get more buying decision, suggest advice and educate people about the product, I created an automation that helps an e-commerce brand monitor Reddit 24/7 and then creates a ready to post comment. This way that brand does not have to spend a lot of time on Reddit and just go through the post, comment, and build a brand and build an audience. And one more thing, most LLMs, they also refer to Reddit posts and Reddit comments in order to recommend business. If you are highly active on Reddit, there is a higher chance that LLMs like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude is going to recommend your business. So this is an exact n8n automation that's going to help a business build a brand on Reddit, be more visible on Reddit, and eventually be more visible on LLMs. Let me go through how this system works. So I built this automation on n8n. Let me execute this workflow and I'll go step by step on how it works and what it does. Okay, the workflow ran successfully. Let me go through each and every node and show you how it works. So basically the trigger is scheduled every 18 hours. It can be changed anytime. I use 18 hours for that business, for that brand, just to get started, just to get tested. So once the trigger is scheduled, I've added a code node. I have given it 12 subreddits that this automation pulls out the post from. Basically, I've written a code so that it randomly pulls out one subreddit among those 12 so that we could search that one subreddit first and find out the post that that business can comment on. So after the subreddit is picked, I've added a HTTP node. So at this moment, like a couple of months ago, Reddit stopped giving out API. You cannot develop an app inside Reddit. There is a third-party way. There's a different app that you can build app on Reddit, but we're just using it for scraping. So we're not going to build an entire app. So in order to do that, I used a third-party website called Scraping Dog. Basically, it is an API provider that provides you API keys in order to scrape different things, YouTube videos, Twitter posts, LinkedIn posts, and Reddit as well. So I basically created an account on Scraping Dog, pull an API key, and then put it on n8n. I use this exact expression in the URL, and I put the API key, and this is the subreddit that pulled out from the previous node. So once that happens, once I run that, it's going to pull out all the posts in that subreddit in the last 24 hours. Actually, in the last 7 days, I think. I made it for 7 days. So it's going to pull out all the posts that has been posted in for the last 7 days. So the Reddit scraping part is done. It pulled out all the posts. Now there is this code node that organizes that data. So it basically pulled out 25 posts, and it organized in a table with subreddit title and what the post was about, and even the Reddit post link. So this node just organizes the data that's been pulled out from the scraping dog. Since that's in HTML, it's gonna organize it in a table mode so that it's easier to work with. So after I do that, what we're gonna do is, since it pulled out 25 items, so instead of sending out 25 items, what we're going to do is we're going to table all of those 25 items in a single item using aggregate. There's still all the 25 posts inside it, just that we aggregated all of those into a single item so that it's easier for us to work with. Now, after we do that, I've added an AI agent. What this AI agent does is I basically prompted it in order to select top 3 posts from all of those 25 posts that it pulled out. Sometimes it could be 28, 30, 35, depending on how many posts was posted on that particular subreddit in last 7 days. So it's gonna look for high buying intent, troubleshooting and maintenance, relevance to inventory. It's gonna check all those criteria and then basically pull out 3 subreddit posts that that brand can likely comment on. It outputs 3 posts. You can see right here. Okay, there you go. There is 3 outputs over here. I've used another node to clean this data. I'll show you in the next node what the data looks like. So basically, after the AI agent picks out 3 posts, what we're going to do is we're going to organize that data again. So I've used a code node. I basically use a code from ChatGPT in order to put that in here. And then it provides a table. It provides subreddit title, the text that's on the subreddit, and the link and the angle. So the angle is for the brand in order to prepare the comment based on the post. So what this AI agent does is also provides the angle that the brand owner can write a comment on, so the angle matters a lot, because it determines if AI writes an exact needed comments, determines if AI is going to guide people to the website or things like that. So it basically judges the angle and sets out 3 posts based on the keywords, interest, and basically sets out the post that the brand owner can comment on. So after the data organization, what we are going to do is we're going to create a table on an Airtable. Let me show you the table. So basically this is what it does. So it pulls out the title, it pulls out the self text. This is the text that was written on a Reddit post. Basically reads this, and this is the link, and this is the angle. Now it saves everything on our Airtable. Now after that, I've added an AI agent. What this AI agent does, it reads the post, it reads the angle, and then writes a comment. So the comment it writes is based on brand integrity and zero promotion, because promotion on Reddit, nobody likes that. You might even get banned. So it's more about education, advice, suggestion, and even mistakes and things like that to build credibility. No promotions. So I prompted the AI agent to write the comment in very human language, use incomplete sentences, no M dashes, and value first. Education comments should look like written by human, not an AI. So this AI agent pulls out the self text, pulls out the angle, and then crafts a comment. So this is the comment. It looks like entirely human written, no caps lock, no filler words, incomplete sentences, and it wrote the comment for 3 different posts. Now after the comment is written, it saves it on our Airtable. Right here, the comment is posted over here. Now the brand owner can basically go and open the link on Reddit like this, and here's the post. The comment is already over here. They can pull out the comment, read the post, read the comment, and post it on the Reddit post. This might look like a simple automation, but this saves a lot of time. One thing. Another thing is helps build Reddit credibility. And trust me, Reddit is the biggest source of internet for high intent buyers. People are presenting their problems, people are asking questions, people are looking for product reviews, and that's where the brand, if that's where the brand goes in and provides suggestion, advice, education, then people are more likely to buy from that brand. So this automation basically runs every 18 hours, pulls out 3 posts, writes a comment, so that every now and then the brand business owner could go take a look at that post, comment, leave a comment on those posts, slowly building credibility. Right now we're just doing 3 posts just to get started, but once the traction happens, maybe 10 posts a day, 10 comments a day would be very good for Reddit growth. So this is an upsell automation that I built for the brand that I'm already working with, and I believe this is going to build them a Reddit brand, help them be more visible on LLMs like ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Even though the thing it does looks like a small thing, it has a huge impact on the long run. Because in the modern day, visibility for business is the most important thing. And if you're not visible on Reddit, where most people are asking questions, looking for product reviews and everything, then you might be losing behind. This kind of automation can help save a lot of time and help build a brand on Reddit. I like to call this Reddit commenter agent. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Saurav. I build AI agents and AI automation for businesses. I've been working with multiple businesses, setting up AI automation and agents like these. If you're a business owner and want help with setting up any kind of AI automation, I'll leave my email below. You can directly reach out to me and we can figure something out for automation and agents that could scale your business. And yeah, if you found this helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll be back with another video next time.